Welcome back to Bitcoin Advisors channel. My name is Chris, bringing it to you here from a lovely Westlake Village, California. Hope you made some money on that Super Bowl because it sure was boring to watch. So I'm just going to give it to you right quick and easy here. And what do we got going on here? Well, we are above the box in peace and prosperity and death and despair. So it should be known, we are now in peace and prosperity. Peace and prosperity, just recapping our discussions over the last week, right? So we talked about this being the range. Let's clear up the chart a little bit. Let's make it a little bit nice and neat here. And volatility is increasing. Momentum is to the upside. We're getting a high volume candle. And where do the traps get set? At the 0.5 or the 618. So we said, look, all right, deviation above the range, deviation below the range, likely to come back to the top side of the range. Now, if we could close back above that level at 45,000, that was our first warning sign that, hey, maybe this isn't a bear trap. Maybe it's a bull trap. Maybe it is a bear trap and the bulls are just getting tired. But here's the idea is now the lows may be in. The lows may be in. Something different may be going on as we are getting above this wick here. And with any kind of a daily closure above there, well, you're going to expect a bit of a continuation drive. Where's that target? $55,000. Can there be pullbacks along the way? Yes, indeed. But I would consider any pullbacks, any breakdowns, probably one of the better buying opportunities of the year. Why is that? Well, we're approaching the Bitcoin halving date, and well, the halving coming in 70 days, 69 days, something like that. It's very, very soon. I just turned $140 into $1,300 over the last 2 weeks. Yes, it's possible in the land of cryptocurrency. My name is Chris Mitchell. I am the CEO of Crypt Courses. And I'm bringing you this video because I'm going to give you some really good information on how to buy, sell, and trade digital currency. Now, you've probably heard about a lot of people making a lot of money in crypto, but you don't feel safe or intelligent enough to make the investment. That's why I created Bitcoin 101, how to stack sats using technical analysis. It's the crypto trader's dream to starting your crypto journey. It's absolutely free. All you gotta do is click on the link in the description below and we will get you your free guide today. You're gonna get a run up and then a bit of a pullback and any buying opportunities after this date, even where we're at right now, any pullbacks considered major buying opportunities in Bitcoin land at this moment. That's how I'm viewing the market as a whole. Let's check out the CMEs here. And the other thing I wanted to bring up was the 5-day closure, which did close. And we did talk about this as well as we were, probably going to march it up to the middle of this wick. If we could close a 5-day above the middle wick, which we did not, well, probably going to reach, new all-time highs this year. Probably going to take a swipe all the way back to the top side of the range at 64,000. So that is good. Looking healthy and strong at the moment here. Bit of a short squeeze. How's our Ethereum Bitcoin holding up here? Potentially getting the higher low on the weekly time frame for a macro trend reversal. Ethereum is parting to the upside right now, but checking in back on Bitcoin at $50,000. Where's the next major area of liquidity hanging out? Probably right around this zone right here at 52,000. Anywhere between this high volume candle. Yeah, coming in right here at 52,400. Probably going to be the first little mark of resistance there, but now we have something new going on. The 5-day and the weekly has now crossed up, and all we need to do is see volatility expand above 25%, and we're getting a 40% move. We've been talking about it all month, saying that it possibly could go to the downside, but it looks like it's coming to the upside. You should all get your bull pants on and get ready to party because Bitcoin is showing himself strong, and that means the altcoins are probably going to outperform Bitcoin. Well, the strong ones at least. So let's prepare ourselves for that. Let's clean up the chart and potentially talk about, well, I guess this is the day. This is the day, you know, you're looking for maybe one last little like refill and probably off and off to the races for Mr. Bitcoin. So again, short-term target, we said 52.4. Does that line up with anything? Not particularly, except for the middle of this wick here at 52,000. Probably going to get a little sell pressure there, but it looks like this thing wants to keep running in favor of the bulls, So let's take a look at Ethereum really quick, and I'm going to wrap this up, make it a quick one today, as most assets are continuing onwards and upwards. Link heading up to our target at about 23 bucks there. Mr. TAO had a little short-term pullback, but still parting to the upside. DSO coming in at 41 bucks and looks strong on the daily here. Neutron, also one of our favorites. Trade setup posted in our Discord, and looks like the trade is good so far, so good. Heading onwards and upwards for Mr. TAO. How's our doggy coins doing? Doggy getting the official back test. Breaking out of this major trend line, back testing it one time, and it should be liftoff from here. So targeting probably, call it 8-9 cents there. Beam, another outlier, another one really standing out strong. And the measure move off of this target is way up here, way up here. So be on the lookout for this bull flag that could potentially break in the ozone layer, if you ask me. ICP, how's he doing? ICP continuing the uptrend and massive ascending triangle here. Looks like this one, you know, once it does clear above, well, probably above this level right here, that's probably good enough to get us a shot back to the top side of the range. And that one's looking strong. Rollbit looking a little bit saggy here. Don't know what's happening to this one, but still considering major buying opportunities around this zone. TIA, Mr. Celestia, just keeps on going, never stops. RUNE also putting in a nice back test. I think this one is ready for liftoff as well. Mr. Rune Burger, get your runes out. Putting in the higher low. We'll confirm here on the 4-hour pretty much. I think I want to add to that one as well. Other than that, guys, I think that's it for me today. I think short term we should take a look at Ethereum. My Ethereum, what are we doing today? Looking strong. And I don't know if you guys remember this video I did, but way back here, when we broke out over here, right, and it felt like we're missing the bull party at 2,700, right? I said, okay, let's draw a fib, and let's put in some buy zones here between the 0.5 and the 618, saying, hey, that might be a decent buying opportunity somewhere between the 0.5 and the 618. And we did a grid strategy where we outlined a few trade ideas, and well, I guess this was the wick to hold the line in the sand at 2145. This one would have got us stopped out. So we were looking at buying anywhere in this zone down here, and now we are, you know, quite profitable on those trades. So if you did take those trades, congratulations, pat yourself on the back. I do think Ethereum is going to take a major leg up here and probably continues the party to the upside, tagging this high right here at 3,500. That is the ascending triangle breakout target. Last one I'll leave you with is Mr. Chainlink. Again, probably going to, you know, lift off up to, you know, somewhere $28 to $34. This one likes to party to the upside, and the one competitor to Chainlink is XLR. And I heard Layer 0 is also a competitor, but another one to keep your eye on, Mr. Cockcoin. Cockle-doodle-doo. This thing is running to the upside and looks like it wants to continue that bull party. If you want to get a chicken meme coin, well, that's your coin right there. And the last one, where is AXL? Why is it? Oh, AVAX. How's AVAX doing? Okay, not too bad. Beam, we took a look at AVAX. AXL. That's why it switched over to my blue list. Short-term pullback. Looking for this one as a competitor to XLR to, really just take a major leg up this year. Bull targets are going to be at the parabolic blow off top right here at about 394. So if you're tired of Chainlink and you want to try something different, not financial advice, but I'm going to leave you guys off with that. I hope you have a blessed and highly favored rest of your week. Happy trading, and I will see you in the next one. Take care.